Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda.
There is a question. Let's read the question first. From the base of a hemisphere, this is our hemisphere. From the base of a hemisphere, a right cone of height r by 2 and same base has been scooped out. From this much portion of the cone has been scooped out. Find the center mass of the remaining part. How to calculate the center mass of the remaining part, that we'll see. See, this was our hemisphere, whole hemisphere was there. From this radius was r, and from this r by 2 radius ka we try to scoop out a portion from this. Suppose this was my hemisphere was there. Then from this hemisphere, what we do? We have scooped out some portion of the cone has been scooped out. So right now, whatever the remaining portions are there, now we need to calculate the center of mass of this remaining structure. So we'll see how this remaining structure has been formed. The remaining structure has been formed from the whole hemisphere over there. Whole hemisphere minus cone is equal to remaining structure. So this concept you have to use again. Whole hemisphere minus cone is equal to this. So first we'll see what was the whole hemisphere mass, what was the cone mass, and what became the remaining structures mass were there. We'll calculate. Now let's go. So the whole hemisphere, the whole I write as the mass is m1, suppose, and the whole hemisphere, and second the cutout cone, its mass is suppose m2. So remaining structure, its mass will be equal to m1 minus m2. So let's calculate m1. What will m1 be there? M1 will be equal to, if rho is the mass density, mass per unit volume, then 2 by 3 pi r cube. And what is the mass of the cone? 1 is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. H is equal to how much? R by 2. It is given in the question. So remaining will be this minus this. So this will calculate this either 2/3 rho pi r cube, and this is equal to 1 by 6 rho pi r cube, and this m1 minus m2 that will be calculating this is equal to half rho pi r cube. Now we know the hemisphere, its center mass is hemisphere equal to 3r by 8 from its base, and for this cone the center mass that lies as h by 4 from the base. The solid cone h by 4, h is equal to r, so this become how much? R by 8 from the base. So this two things we know, r by 8 from the base and 3r by 8 from this. Now we'll go and apply in the formula. What is said that YCM is equal to m whole thing, that I have taken a mass m1, into y1cm. Just I will y1cm minus m2 into y2cm by m1 minus m2 by superposition principle, where m1 is the whole mass was there. From there, this must cut out mass was there, and this is the remaining structure there. This is the center mass, the remaining structure. So as we have calculated, put the values in the last one, we'll go and see m1 is equal to 2 by 3 rho pi r cube and 3 r by 8. We'll have 2 by 3 rho pi r cube into the solid hemisphere is a 3 r by 8 minus this cones. We found out the mass to be equal to 16 rho pi r square r cube, 16 pi rho pi r cube, and center mass will be r by 8 height above. So equal to minus 1 by 6 rho pi r cube into r by 8 by m1 minus m2. We have calculated the 1/2 rho pi r cube. So everywhere this rho pi r cube can be taken outside, you see. In the numerator we can take this equal to 3 cancelled, rho pi r to the power 4 taken common, rho r to the 4 into common, this is equal to 2 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 48 by 1 by 2 rho pi r cube. So pi r cancel, r cube and this r got cancelled, and so we'll substitute the value. This will come out to be 11r by 24 ycm. So our answer is 11r by 24. Let's see the question and answer once. So this was our question was there, where the find the center mass of the remaining structure. Let's see what the answer is given. Let's check. 11r by 24 from the base. So this is the answer from the circular base. So we also got the same thing. This is our correct answer.